one color sensor, one ultrasonic sensor, one touch sensor. I have a program like this. If this color sensor will detect blue color, it will not play any sound, and if ultrasonic sensor will detect the position greater than 4, then it will play sound, or it will detect less than 4, it will not play sound. If touch sensor is released, sound will play. Press, not sound, no sound. Let's see how it's works.